I call, you're always there. You always answer me. Oh yeah. You're always there with me through any and every season. You are my guide. So how could I worry when you are for me? Your grace is all I see. Your favor's all around me. You are always there for me. I will not worry. Oh no, no. Oh yeah, yeah. So I'm sure goodness and mercy always follow me. Oh, your grace and your favor surrounds me. You are all around me. Yeah. All around me. All around. You are all around me. All around me. Yeah. All around me. Yeah. And all I see is your beauty all around me. And all I see is your glory all around me. Oh, Lord, you are for me, so no one can stand against me. Oh, you're full of mercy, Lord, you never cease to amaze me. Oh, to know love is to know you, Lord, you are ever faithful and true. Yes, you are, Lord, you are for me, so no one can stand against me. Oh, you're full of mercy, Lord, you never cease to amaze me. Yeah, yeah. Follow me, dear God. Yeah. Follow me, dear God. Follow me, dear God. Follow me, dear God. Oh, goodness and mercy always follow me. Yeah. Your grace and your favor surrounds me. You are all around me. Oh yes, all around me. Oh, your favor follows me. Your grace all around me. Oh, Father, you are the greatest. Unto you I sing praises. Nobody else compares to you. Never change through the ages. You are always so gracious. Nobody else compares to you.
So much beauty, so much splendor. Praise you, God, like what shall I render? Who is like you? There's no contender. I give you my all, to you I surrender. No words that are fitting to describe you. Searched all around and there's really none like you. How am I supposed to describe the creator of the universe in a 16-bar verse? Like where do I start with the one who begins and ends? The one who life itself depends. Let me try here. Look. I see God in the beautiful rose. I see God in the musical notes. I see God in the rising sun. I see God in everyone. I see God in the beautiful rose. I see God in the musical notes. I see God in the rising sun. I see God in everyone.
Father, you are the greatest. Unto you I sing praises. Nobody else compares to you. Never change through the ages. You are always so gracious. Nobody else compares to you. Matchless, my God, nobody can contest your greatness. You're the greatest. As great as you are so loving and kind. I sing praises to you most high. I am that I am, I glorify. I praise you forever and ever and ever and ever. My God of the universe, so loving you.
see God in everyone.
Father, you are the greatest. Unto you I sing praises. Nobody else compares to you. Never change through the ages. You are always so gracious. Nobody else compares to you. Oh yeah. Oh yeah. The battle's already won. So I'll keep on going strong, yeah, strong. See, I have already overcome. Oh yeah, this is my victory song, yeah. Whatever may come my way, I will keep on praising. 'Cause I know that you are right here. I will keep prevailing. Whatever may come my way, it will never faze me. You keep me going on and on, yeah. On and on. Oh, I praise you from morning until dawn. On and on. I will keep on singing. This is my victory song. Papa, the things you do for me, Papa. Your love is so sweet, Papa. I cannot tell it all. It's not all I can recall. Papa, you qualified me and made me your own. Now I am sanctified, 'cause you are the one inside. Whatever may come my way, I will keep on praising. 'Cause I know that you are right here. I will keep prevailing. Whatever may come my way, it will never faze me. You keep me going on and on. On and on. Oh, I praise you from morning until dawn. On and on. I will keep on singing. This is my victory song. Yeah. One step, two step, three step. This is my victory song. One step, two step, keep on marching on, yeah. And let's go one time, yeah. Oh, yeah. Oh. Never the same, my life changed, never the same. When you came, everything changed, everything changed. Where I once was, who I once was, when I was lost. Never the same, my life changed, never the same. My king is true, born in a manger. To a virgin woman, the word was given and he became man. Everywhere he went, signs and wonders that made the people wonder. What manner of man is this that can make the lame walk and the blind see? And he came, everything then changed. He gave me a new name. All the old things were passed away. With his blood he washed away. All the guilt and the shame. Now we stand and proclaim in Jesus' name. Never the same, my life changed, never the same. When you came, everything changed, everything changed. Where I once was, who I once was, when I was lost. Never the same, my life changed, never the same.
What's up, gang? What's up? What's up? Morning chat, morning Phil. What's up, Sing? Morning good. How you guys doing? Let me see some energies in the chat. Drop some energies in the chat. Let's go. Drop the energies in the chat, gang.
Yeah. First giving honor to God, to Miss Carol who had first brought me and my moms, to the church where I know I ain't been in so long. I just pray that when I call, they still pick up the phone. Yeah. With judgment coming from all angles, I never defend myself for approval from strangers. When they don't give a damn about my kids. Shit, you ain't gotta pray for me, just pray for them. And pray for my mama, pray for my sis. We miss my granny, we need her at times like this. To think I prayed for the world to be back open, just to lose both of my grandparents to COVID. And pray for every one of my little cousins, who was really more like sisters and brothers. I gotta thank them for sharing their dad, cause growing up he was really all that I had. You know, growing up at a young age, my pops got deported to Jamaica. And my uncle stepped up and was the father I never had. So when I say like, gotta thank my little cousins for sharing their dad, they really shared their dad with me. He was the father figure I never had. And he really part of the reason why I am the way I am today. And why I'm as successful as I am in this very moment. Instead of arguing on live, I should have prayed with T-Fly. I could have got straight to the point instead of letting jokes fly. I should have called Ty, cause he don't struggle with his pride. If it was up to him to push to still be alive. So pray for me, pray for YG, pray for PC, pray for TC, pray for Reem, H, Jade, and Clean, India and Ty, forever be the squad. Gotta pray for Teddy, gotta pray for Lays. Big S and Lil S, I love them both the same. They're a big part of the reason why I didn't bang. And that's a big part of the reason I'm still here today. So pray for Miko and pray for LMA. Everything we done together kept our family straight. Pray for anybody rocking the 10 Summers chain. And any other homies that I didn't name. You know, it's a lot of homies I ain't naming shit, man. Pray for B-Wade, a real childhood friend. Pray for Nora, my assistant, man. Pray for Shako, the handicapped foodie. Pray for my engineer, David. We've been in this motherfucker day in, day out, blood, sweat, and tears for 5 years. Pray for my niggas, Day Day and Glove, man. Them niggas kept us safe so many motherfucking nights. Pray for my nigga Uno, too, man. You know, I can't do this shit without thanking that nigga K-Dot, man. He came through, swing through with the #1 right before the album drop. I ain't even need no rollout. So you gotta pray for him. Pray for Auntie Diane, Roddy, and Kiefer, too. And last but definitely not least, you gotta pray for all my kids, Kai, Connor, Cody. Most definitely gotta pray for the apple of my eye, the love of my life, Brittany. And BB McFarland, the newest addition to the family. And even if I ain't say your name, you know what's up with me. I pray to God direct my steps on this path I'm going. Give me peace of mind so that I stay focused. Give me discipline so that I keep going. To the gym even when results ain't showing. Lord, give me the faith I need to move mountains. Give me financial freedom, know that there's no accountant that's more able than you. There's no problems on this earth greater than you. And if it's your will, then let me do everything that I was created to do. Help me change lives, like you changed minds, like you changed moms. How could I forget how you made a millionaire out of 15 cents? With $1 in a dream, wasn't always what it seemed. Sometimes I couldn't see, but I still believed. And then you made it real, you gave me everything I need. And all I had to have was the faith of a mustard seed. So the point of this album is to have faith. No matter what field of work you in, no matter what you're doing in life, have faith in it and believe in it at all times. And especially having
What's
God
up?
in your
What's
life
up?
first. Because in a world full of the devil doing God knows what, as long as you keep God first, you'll be all right. I've always had the ultimate confidence.
All right, chat. How you guys doing? Good morning. Happy Thursday, everybody. How you guys doing? Shout out to 16 viewers right now. How you guys doing? How's everybody's doing? Happy Thursday, everybody. Who got some trades this morning already? Who got some trades this morning? 400 pip move. Wow. Wow, 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 wow. 400 pip move. All right, gang. Let me do the top down here. We really went. We really went. All right. Chat, you guys hear the background music? Still good? Music's good. Music is good, yes or no? Drop it in the chat. Yeah, okay. So let's do the tap down here. All right. So, man, let's see a weekly. Right, the weekly we still have 1 day, right? We still have 1 day and 14 hours for this weekly candle closure. We move 1700 pip on the wick, and right now the daily candles open up here. I believe we made some gap today on the daily candle, right? We move 420 pip on the candle, daily candle. Damn. Exhaustion week. So let's see here in the 4 hour time frame why, why the candles are rejecting on that area. So I mean, in the 4 hour time frame, I'd say there's no support tapping on this area, but you have resistance here now, right? We don't have support down here, but maybe in the lower time frame, let's see. Yeah, in the lower time frame, we're gonna have support. So yeah, resistance probably, yeah, you're tapping some minor levels here on price in the 1 hour, so the price are reacting there. So the 1 hour here has resistance, okay, and the support is probably down here, and the overall range is this, right? 400 something pip. But we have minor levels here that we need to be aware of too. So we have minor levels there, minor levels here. So if we're gonna drop down to the 30 minutes time frame, okay, 30 minutes time frame, as you can see, your resistance, support. This is my overall range on the structure of 30 minutes time frame. As you can see, we have 154 pip, 160 pip range. So we have clean traffic going up, and clean traffic going down. That would be interesting, right? Let's see on the 50 minutes time frame. So 50 minutes time frame look the same. So yeah, let's see here. Um, yeah. So we're open for buys and sells, but for me, yeah, we always, for me, if we have structure, because we're in the all-time high, right? We know that we're bullish, but we're taking advantage of going down too. That's really a good idea for me. Like we if we're gonna see some, momentum, bearish momentum that happening on the structure, happening on the price, yeah, we might hop on and then take that trade, take the move down, right? So we have clean traffic here going down once we close below the range. All right, so yeah, this is my level so far. 15 minutes, if we gonna close above, yeah, there's a choppy range because of this kind of wicks on the 30 minutes time frame. We have a lot of support and resistance there, but going down here, it's clean, right? Going down, it's clean. We just need to wait for the candle to close bearish below, and the next open up the candle, we're gonna take that trade to move down, retest the low again, right, chat? So yeah, man. Julius, how you doing? Ogachi, JC, John, how you guys doing? Ate Che, good morning, guys. Good morning. So we filled the I'd say, yeah, we filled the gap already. So that's really good. This is the gap that we're talking about. Open up the candle. Right now we filled that. So anything can happen right now. Anything. Coach, ano meron pag nagkakaroon gap is meaning I don't have any, like a knowledge on gap, but if the price gap, some like for I'm always basing on the price action. So when the gap is happening, right? Because gap is all about fundamentals, right? I don't know. I just have I right now I just study some fundamentals. So, but if you're gonna ask me about price actions, gap should be filled, but sometimes it's not filled, right? But right now we don't have to be worried about because we filled already. The gap has been filled already, as you can see. Because there is a high chance that once you made a gap, there's always a high chance that you need to be filled that gap, enable for you to see some directions for the day. So yeah. Gap. But in the gap, you don't need to be worried. As long as you follow your trading plan. How many of you guys got the trades yesterday? NY session. Damn. No move, huh? Do we have news today? Oh, no news today. Oh, we have Fed Power Pick 4:30 p.m. Orange folder. Tomorrow has news. Give me a second, chat. Chat, if you have any questions, all right, let me know. Drop it in the chat. Make sure you drop some likes and subs to the channel. Two. Damn, Goldie. BTC. Okay. 121. $15 candle getting close. Tum, 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 ta-da-dum, ta-da-dum. Toot-toot-toot-toot-toot. Toot-toot-toot-toot-toot. Cha, if I hit 1K, I'm gonna add a mods. I'm gonna add a few moderators in the chat. So you guys, if you guys are showing up every single, I wanna see you guys in the chat. If you wanna be part of being mods in the YouTube chat. Damn, nothing is happening on gold today, huh? We just move, and as you can see, how the candles, there's no continuation here, gang. Right? Still, the buyer is still in the market, so we have some move in this kind of wick. It doesn't look good. Move up again, reject on this price, move up heavy. Damn. That means the buyer is still in the market. The buyer is still in the 4,000 area. Right? The buyer is still in the 4,000 area. That was crazy. Damn. Ah. Cha, by the way, how many of you guys got you guys got the trade yesterday? You guys have trade yesterday? Who got the trade yesterday? Who took some trades yesterday? Drop it in the chat. Probably on the NY. Check. No, I'm not muted. I'm good. Maybe your volume. Yeah. The volume is voluming. Yeah. How many of you guys got the trades yesterday? Oh, early open. I got this morning. I don't like the why you don't like the NYC? Yes. Oh, 60 pips. Wow, W John, you're sniping NY session, huh? 50 pips this morning on buys. Wow, W Sing. Yeah. Oh, you guys are having a swing trade, huh? 50 pips, 60 pips. W. Right. Too much for me. Why it's too much for you, man? Like NY is really good. So guys, if you wanna if you wanna scale, like let's say um if you wanna scale your I would say your capital, man, you need to go through funded account so you can practice how to do some standard lot size, right? So yeah, kailan ka visit Pinas? I don't know, maybe next year, bro. Let's see. So yeah, you need if you guys especially if you guys wanna scale up your account, go through 100K or you start for 50K. What do you recommend for a funded coach? We in Erante there is a funded I would say funded account, yeah. In Erante that was next gen funding funded. But for me, I use FTMO because FTMO is I'd say FTMO is the number one pro firm, right? They're here for 10 years now. So yeah, I'm gonna choose FTMO. So yeah. I mean, it's all about practice. You start gonna if you guys want to scale up, you're gonna start probably on 15 or 25K funded account, or let's say 50. Yeah, start from there and then practice how to because what you risk right now, it's the same how you're gonna risk on the big scale, big account, right? The difference there is the number. You're gonna see different numbers. You're gonna see different numbers, but it's the same. Like let's say you wanna risk 100 US dollar in one trade. So in the big account you will see different number. Let's say you're having a drawdown of 1K drawdown, 500 dollars drawdown, $800. That's that's the difference, but it's the same risk how you getting on the trade. So it's all about practice, right? Practice it because you're gonna see different numbers, but it's all about practice, the muscle memory. You're gonna train your mind because yeah, that's it's okay, in trading it's okay to use 0.01, but those 0.01 lot will not go further, right? Will not go further. If you wanna scale, yeah, scale in the funded account, but it all start with 0.01 lot. I start there too. Mm, 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 mm. No volume. No volume, gang. What happened to gold? Now it's slowing down. Gold is slowing down. Chat, any questions? All right. Any questions in your mind right now? Let me know. Drop it in the chat. Mm, 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 mm. Damn. No no move, no continuation, no nothing. Mhm. Chat, by the way, so in the past, 10 months, I'd say in the past, how's the trading journey, chat, with me, right? In the past 10 months, how's the trading journey with me, man? Every showing up every single day, showing up in the London session. Let me know how's the journey. How's your feeling right now? You guys are making profit. You guys in the break even. You guys are learning, or I need to see. I need to know. I need to know, chat. Drop it in the chat, gang. The best experience. S- best. I'm still learning. Wow, W, bro. Yeah, man, W. I mean, yeah, I'm seeing you every single day, John. Yeah, good job, bro. Good job to your, process, the progress, man. W. Anyone else? Extreme value. Wow, W sing. I've been here for long, but I can see myself learning from your attitude to trading. Wow, W. For 6 months now, you are trading for 6 months now. Yeah, that's part. I'd say that's part of trading. You need to take loss, right? I've been there, bro, already. Too many times. I failed too many times, man. And I'm failing. I'm crying because I don't know. I cannot figure out what's happening. So yeah, you're gonna figure out that, man. But if you're gonna show up every single day in the live stream, bro, you're gonna learn a lot. As you can see in the chat. Who else here? In the past 10 months, how's the journey, chat? In the past 10 months, how's the journey? How's the journey with me, gang? Showing up every single day, London session. Let's see. Anyone else? I think I'm impatient. Yeah, it's all about, bro. It's all about practice every single day, how to be. And I would say this one more time, all right? So, psychology in trading isn't built in the chart, okay? Psychology built outside of the chart, okay? So, if you are someone that waking up every single day, like 8 a.m. in the morning and folding your bed, right? Clearing your mind before hop onto the chart, you are a discipline because you need to build that first. You need to build that habit. It's a routine, right? And then those routine will apply automatically in your trading journey. All right, does make sense? Because for me, I show up every single day no matter what. Even I don't feel like it, I am gonna show up. That's how I'm disciplined I am, right? And I build this discipline because I show up every single day. Okay, so and it's really helped me a lot because I'm showing the trades to the chat, showing the trades in the live. That's why I'm capable to have a discipline. It's all about discipline every single day. You need to build your routine every single day, man. Right? The routine that you need to follow every single day because our mind, okay, our mind is a muscle that needs to train. You need to feed your mind with a good habit, positive habit, right? Because if you feed your mind with a negative habit, negative thoughts, man, what will happen to your mind? It will crush, right? You cannot think properly. You cannot think, oh, this is my right setup, but I'm afraid to take the trade because your mind is having um something in your mind, right? You cannot think properly. It's all about practice it, man. Build that discipline every single day. Build your routine and it will apply in trading automatically. Believe me, bro, 100%. I've been there. It doesn't matter if you don't have any profit because some of the traders, they're just hop onto the charts and they want to make money. It's not all about making money, right? Don't chase the money, bro. Chase the skills first. Once you have the skills, the money will always follow, right? And don't compare yourself. Don't compare your chapter 1 to someone chapter 10 already because the chapter 10 they have a more experience, right? You don't need to compare that. If you need to be inspired to those people, right? For me, I always inspired with let's say with Raja Banks. That's my mentor in trading, right? In strategy, I've learned a lot of things about strategy, mindset, value, and everything. So I never complain because he made a lot of money already, right? You just need to follow those people that has a results already. So yeah, that's how you gonna build that. All right, be patient, bro. Be patient for the process. Training discipline. Okay, nice. W. Who else here? Anything else? Who else in the chat? See extreme value again. Yeah, man. I mean, yeah. In the live stream, it's not all about trade, bro. It's all about value. You're gonna learn value, right? Good afternoon, Sensei. Where we can watch your mess. So yeah, you can type in the YouTube Raja Banks. So yeah, type him in the YouTube. Especially the podcast. Yeah, the podcast, you're gonna learn a lot of things. You're gonna learn a lot of value and wisdom. For me, yeah, I always watch podcasts. Because from there, they always telling their story, how they start, how they become profitable, and then so on and so forth. So yeah, Umar Ashraf is really good too in terms of trading. That's the people I can recommend for you guys. Umar Ashraf, Raja Banks, yeah, Raja Banks, Bank with the S. Raja Banks, yeah, Bank. Oh, we're pushing up here, chat. Damn. Do we can react here? Yeah, yeah, that's the one. Cha, you know what I can see some setup, huh? Damn. That was how many pip this kind of range? 140 pip. How many pips away? 18 pips away, chat. Stop loss should be yeah, here above. Dun-dun-dun. Oh, reactions. Reactions. Chat, make sure you like the stream here, alright? Like the stream and subs to the channel. Shout out to 29 viewers right now. Dun, 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 dun. Damn. We react already. 30 pips. Reactions already. Do. Chat, if you have any questions, alright, you can drop in the chat. Damn. Nice reactions here on the dot. 4038. Yeah. Man, if we this candle top 4040, that's making sense. Because this is the resistance area. Yeah, should react there. Two. Can we move up? Can we top 4040? 4040. 35 minutes for early closure. 5 minutes for 30 minutes. Yeah, we might see this topping 4040. Once you re-break this high, yeah, should pops up here. Can you apply to be one of the traders in WS Mastership Up? I'm okay with this, bro. I'm okay with YouTube live stream. I'm okay with this. But let's see, man. Let's see. Because we never know, right? We never know. We never know. Maybe not today, not tomorrow, not next week. Never know. You guys can see me on the WS dropping signals there. How to recommend your show we can push it? I don't know, man. Doo-doo-doo-doo-doo. 3 minutes for candle to close. Damn. Re-break the high here. We'll top 4040. And once we top 4040, chat, you know what will happen. You know what will happen. We have a move. We have a move. Price, create the resistance, move down, support, tapping support, move up. Once you tap this, you know what will happen. Mm-mm-mm. Dim, dim, dim. 1 minute and 30 seconds, chat. Can we re-break the high and push up? 4-hour flip. Yeah, that's the 4-hour flip. Damn, look at this 4-hour ugly closure. Does mean we have a lot of buyers here. Can we tap? Can we tap? Two. All right, 10 seconds for Ken to close. We're re-breaking the highs. We want to re-break the highs and push up. Re-break the high, push up. Why there's a gap in trading view and it depends on the broker. It's in my MT5 there's a gap, right? Yeah, it depends on the broker how, yeah. So if you're having different broker and then a Wanda, this is a Wanda chart technically. So yeah, it's depend on the broker how the brokers have that. All right, we're moving up here, chat. Re-break here, but once we top 4040 here, we might take some sales. So be ready. All right, locked in. Locked in here, gang. Locked in. All right, re-break the highs there. Potential sells here on 4040. One more re-break. How many pip? Yeah, 15 pips away. Can we tap 4040, man? All right, chat. We're tapping 4040 now. Locked in here, gang. Locked in here, gang. All right. One more top. One more top re-break. All right, I'm in the trade. Got some sells here right now. Got some sells here on the dot. I'm gonna put my stop probably up on this price. Probably 40 pip stops here, chat. And yeah, that's gonna be the trade. Damn, that was move. That was really move. 7 pip in profit, 10 pips in profit right now. Can we move even further here? All right, chat, moving stops to break even here right now as we plan. And I might close some partials here. One more push. All right, closing half here on 12 pips. 17 pips in profit right now. I close half at 12 pips, running at 20 pips here right now. Let's see if we're gonna flip. Once this candle flip, I'm gonna let it run here towards to the downside here. We have some runners today, chat. W trade, gang. W if you got the same trade with me. W. Chat, W chat. W. Don't push. Don't push at break even, gang. Don't push. Let's see on the 5 here. 5 will we'll have some runners today, gang. We have some runners. We pick 18 pips here. So yeah, if you guys close on 18 pips, that would be nice, you know. Let's see if we're gonna have some reactions here. If now we're gonna push through towards to the downside here. We just need to have volume. We just need to have volume. 3 minutes for candle to close. So yeah, probably the next candle will move down heavy. We need to survive on this 5 minutes candle. So may stops at BE now, alright, chat? Ano po pinagbasihan mo, coach, para sa trades or it's a resistance area, right? We know that we having kind of structure here. We move up. So here's the idea. We move up, right? We create some ranges here on price and we move down. We have some minor support level here on price. The price move up. So now once you top the resistance, there is a high chance that we're gonna push even further down. Okay, but it's my probability. It's probably 60-70% probability that we're gonna push down. That's why I need to take the resistance play. Right? We sample size this every single live stream that once we have some structure, the range been created, so there is a high chance the price will react there. So once this candle push down, there's a high chance the price can react here too. It's all about range. So understanding the range, structure, and price. And we have, bearish kind of structure that creating. We need to be aware of. So yeah, that's the idea. That's the idea there. All right, man, we're pushing heavy. Damn. Can we push through? I'm gonna hold this trade, chat. I am 15 pips in profit, 14 pips in profit right now. We pick 20 pips there. So I'm gonna run this trade towards to the downside. I always seen this kind of setup and the price move down heavy. So I need to see. I stop at break even. So anything, but I close partial already there. I'm happy with that. I'm happy with that. I just want to see that push down. Can we push down? Can we push down heavy? All right, 21 pips in profit right now, chat. If you're still holding the trades, W. We're still holding the trade here, chat. We're still holding the trade. Let me know in the chat. 30 seconds for candle to close. 30 seconds. Holding. Okay, nice. Oh, 5 minutes candle flip. Damn. All right. New 15 open. Respect. But once you break the high there, man, well, you might see some pops towards to the upside. Who's still holding the trade here, chat? Singh is holding. Julius W. Wow, nice. W gang. W in the chat. Ay, wow. Oh, break even. 7 pips away. React, react, react. Can we flip? This 15 should flip. Otherwise, yeah, probably break even gonna be hit. And 2 pips away. Damn, bullish still in the market. All right, chat. Break even hit for me. 12 pips. It's okay. It's okay. Got there 12 pips. Resistance play. So this is the trade. %. 15 minutes. Oh, we got some cells only on the resistance cell. Gold, London, 12:45 p.m. Is that 10, 9, 2025? All right, yeah. I mean, that's the trade. BE, yeah, it's BE. It's okay. I closed partial at 12. Sells plus 12 pips for me. That's nice. Damn, didn't push through. I don't know why. Maybe the 1 hour. This next 1 hour will push down because that's the 4-hour closure too. But yeah, that's the trade, dog. That's the trade. W, man. W chat. If you guys manage to close some trades there, W gang. W everybody. It's still bullish. Price don't want to push down heavy. But this is a nice play, you know. This is the nice setup, nice play. right? We just need to wait for top the zone, and then price move down. We pick, I believe, 21 pips, 22 pips here on the price. But I don't want to close full right there because I know I'm giving the trade a shot to move down heavy, because I know that we've seen a lot of kind of, scenario that once you top resistance, once you top support, there's a high chance that we're gonna continue towards to the different directions, right? Once you top resistance, you're gonna push down heavy to go through support. That's why I hold the trade a little bit today, but it's okay. W still 12 pips, 89 wins. 89 wins. W gang, W. So we might, yeah. So in this kind of price action, we might see push up here. We might see push and moving up. Oh, you're holding. Okay, nice. Yeah. If you guys still holding the trade, yep, you can hold the trade. But for me, I'm out there. Right. Dun, dun. Chat. Who's still holding the trade? Chat. Oh. No one is dropping in the chat. No one is dropping W's in the chat after those trades, huh? Damn, chat. No one is dropping some W in the chat. I'm just kidding. Just woke up. Good morning, bro. Good morning to you, dog. Really great, man. We're really great. Blessed and highly favored, bro. We just got the trades. We got the sells. And yeah. Small lot size. Oh, W ate chat. W. 1 minute for candle to close. Yeah, now it's going down. Now it's about to move down. What lot size do you usually use? Lot size, it doesn't matter, Jag, now. For me, yeah, I use different lot. I use sometimes standard lot. Yeah, standard lot. I use standard lot. I guess time to sell. Yeah, we just got the sells on the, I'd say, yeah, resistance area. We just got the sells on the resistance area. So should be fine. Resistance play. That was resistance play. Resistance, resistance, persistence. If you guys still holding the trade, man, you can hold the trade. I have a gut feeling that this, because right now we have reactions here. We close bearish, but no bottom wick. That's the problem. Candle close, no bottom wick. 4 hour open. 4 hour close, bearish doji. 1 hour open, 30 minutes open. Yeah. If you want to take sells again here, wait to top 4040 again, top this or 4039, and that would be nice to take a sell. But for me, yeah, I'm not gonna re-enter a sells. And that's okay for me. 12 pips, okay. 12 pips, okay. Volume might come around the pre-NY, around 3 p.m. Dubai time, or 2 pre-NY. Pre-NY. Oh, it's stopping again. 4040, gang. If you want to re-enter a trade. Oh, nice. I'm not gonna re-enter trade. If you guys want to take it. But that's your own risk, okay? That's your own risk. Because there's no bottom wick here on the 15. That's a really problem, big problem. No bottom wick. Joseph, how are you, W, man? Oh, flip up a candle. Damn. Damn, chat. Wow. Now we're pushing. Now we about to push down. Holy. But yeah, again, chat. Thank you so much for tuning into the live stream. I'm gonna see you guys tomorrow. And if you guys got the dubs there, congratulations. If you still holding the trade or if you're to enter on the trade, then W, right? W's in the chat. And yeah, I'm gonna see you guys tomorrow. Right, gang? Love and wisdom to you all, chat. Thank you so much, guys. And love you, gang. Peace and love, everybody. I'm out here. See you guys tomorrow.
That's that shit. So if you gon' do it just like this. Did you realize that you are a champion? You don't see just how wild the crowd is. You don't see just how fly my style is. I don't see why I need a stylist. When I shot so much I can speak Italian. I don't know, I just want it better for my kids. And I ain't saying we was from the projects, but every time I wanna lay away or deposit, my dad'd say when you see clothes, close your eyelids. We was sorta like Will Smith and his son. In the movie, I ain't talking about the rich ones. Cause every summer, he'd get some brand new hairbrain scheme to get rich from. And I don't know what he did for dope, but he'd send me back to school with a new wardrobe. And hey, I think he did when he packed it up and brought it back to the crib. Just a little something, show you how we live. Everything I wanted, man, it seems so serious. That's that shit. So if you gon' do it just like this. Did you realize that you are a champion? When it feel like living's harder than dying. For me, giving up's way harder than trying. Lauryn Hill said her heart was in Zion. I wish her heart still was in rhyming. Cause who the kids gon' listen to? Huh? I guess me if it isn't you. Last week I paid a visit to the institute. They got the dropout, keeping kids in the school. I guess I clean up my act like Prince would do. If not for the pleasure, at least for the principle. They got the CD, then got to see me drop gems like I dropped out a PE. They used to feel invisible. Now they know they invincible. Hey, hey, hey. This is the story of a champion. Runners in the market, they pop the gun. Stand up, here he comes. Tell me what it takes to be number one. Tell me what it takes to be number one. This is the story of a champion. Runners in the market, they pop the gun. Stand up, here he comes. Tell me what it takes to be number one. Tell me what it takes to be number one. Did you realize that you are a champion? Yes, I did. So I packed it up and brought it back to the crib. Just a little something, show you how we live. Everybody want it, but it ain't that serious. That's that shit. So if you gon' do it just like this. Like this.